When it comes to the adjectives, you need to determine two things. Is the noun masculine or feminine? Is the noun singular or plural? Il libro, masculine singular. La mela, feminine singular. I libri, masculine plural. Le mele, feminine plural. How do we know the gender of these things? Well, either you've watched one of my videos, links are in the description below, or you've already learned this. Il libro, la mela, i libri, le mele. In these instances, both the articles il, la, I, and le, as well as the final vowels of the nouns, are the indicators of gender and number. But I digress. Back to the adjectives. Once the gender and number of what you're describing has been established, you choose the adjective ending accordingly. This is called making the adjectives agree. Therefore, il ragazzo alto, la ragazza alta, i ragazzi alti, le ragazze alte. In English, you put the adjective in front of the noun you're describing, but in Italian, you usually put it after. Una mela rossa, a red apple. Un fiore giallo, a yellow flower. La foglia verde, the green leaf. Having said that, and please don't call me a liar, because I did say usually earlier, the ordinal numbers are also adjectives, and they go in front. Contact us for more information.